Hello everyone, and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your default search engine in Microsoft Edge from Bing to Google. And now let's get started. First, you need to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Once Edge is open, look for the three horizontal dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Select Settings to proceed. After clicking on Settings, a new page will load with various options. On this page, you will see a search bar at the top. Type the word Search Engines into this search bar. The browser will then display relevant settings. Look for the option that allows you to change your default search engine. Select Google from the available options to set it as your default. Now, when you try searching for anything directly from the Edge address bar, it will use Google for your search results instead of Bing. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.